So in the last video, we created our first post, and now here just we can see this is totally the plain theme, right? So if we'll change the theme, its layout will be changing. So that just we are going to know, and we can also add some pages like home, about us. So that will be doing. So for doing that one, again you'll have to come to the backend part, and here we'll go to the theme, right? So this is the theme option. Click on that part. So here just you can see this is the theme. By default it has been generated, and here it is up to you which theme you want to prefer. So you can select any of the theme, and accordingly it will be coming over there. For example, any of the theme here, uh, will be selecting this theme or this theme. Okay, just will be taking this one. Click on this one, and after that you have to click on apply. Okay, so after applying it, this theme, it will be applied to your front side, and here the message you can see, new theme applied successfully. Now come to your front part and refresh this page. So yes, now we can see the complete layout, it has been changed now. So whatever the post you will be posting or you will be updating, so one by one at below it will be coming over here. Okay, and now the next one, we want to add pages in our site. Okay, so click on the pages part. So right now there is no pages, so we have to create the pages. So for creating pages, right, here you can see this is the new page. Click on this, and now you have to create the page, right? So here the same thing, like you will be writing home, and you will be creating that page, and click on publish. So that page it will be created, and so yes, this has been created. Now if you want to add more pages, so yes, you can come over here, click on the new page, and you can simply write down about us, and click on publish. And if you want to show the contact detail as well over here, so again the same process you have to do. Click on the new page and create contact us page. So here you can create contact us page. Okay, so if anything you want to edit, like in about us you want to add the content, so simply over here you can edit. In the contact us you can add your contact details like mobile number, or contact details as well, your email address, and your office address. Okay, like that way you can create it, and simply you can fill the information and click on publish. So now this pages, it has been published now. So we'll come to the front side and just will refresh this page. So here we can't see any pages like home, about us, contact us, nowhere it is coming. So for that one, we have to do a little setting. That means we have to come on layout option, click on that part, and here you and after that just you come over here, add a gadget, click on that part, and from here you will be selecting the page. So yes, you come over here and come to the page header or the pages. So you can come over here and just you can select. So again the same thing you will be doing, and after that click on save. Fine. So here just we can see this has been added now. Okay, and after that, okay, just click on save button, and just you come to your front side refresh this page. Okay, so now just click on three dot. So here just we can see the contact us page and about us page has come on the sidebar. So if you click on contact us, so here whatever the things I have added like mobile number address, so it is coming over here. So this thing it will be appearing over here, and again just click on your title. So like this way you can go to your backend part and you can create many posts from here. For creating post you can click on the new post and you can set the images according to you. You can add the contents. Meanwhile each and every option guys you can explore it, and just you can enable the things which you want to show in your website. So here just we are finishing with the blocking side.